to you. Happy birthday, dear Liam. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Buddha. Hey, Buddha. Hoe oud is je vandaag, Buddha? Liam. Hoe oud is je vandaag? How old are you? 4? Wow.
Don't sleep in, look at your sloppies.
Want to go look at the kitchen? Look at the kitchen.
Wacht, hier staan.
Let me get that.
Wow. Happy birthday, Liam.
Happy birthday, Buddha.
Wow. Look at all this stuff.
This was cute.
What's this?
What is that?
Yeah.
That's for Kina.
Open it.
That's for Kina. Ze staat hier ook op de tafel, hè?
Het is voor Kina.
Open it.
Buddha.
What is
Yeah.
that?
Liam, wait a second. I just take a picture of you.
Wow.
Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Look at all this stuff.
Did you get something else?
Huh?
Did you get something else?
What is that, Liam?
Oh! Missy, I know that. I knew that.
No.
And the room open it very big.
Wow.
I knew that.
You knew that.
Yeah, because it was my you can actually drive that. Look. I knew you could.
Ze zegt het platte bus toe.
Wow.
That's mine.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, I want it on this. Yeah.
Okay, Sissa, can you put it on phone?
Birthday boy. Don't here.
Huh? The cake. The cake is coming this afternoon.
Look here, Liam.
Leon.
Wow. Liam, hoe oud is je vandaag? Huh?
11.
11.
I knew this was I knew this was my big
Look here, Liam.
because it was so big.
It's so
So
big.
big.
Yeah, that's what I knew that.
Ay, ay, ay. Do you like your truck?
Yeah.
What do we call it?
Wil je open
Not
that?
the top.
Ah.
Wil je open that?
Because it's big. Yeah.
Open that.
No, I can.
You know what? Actually, he's present.
Lanai, give it to him. Lanai.
Lanai.
Oh, it's easy. Open it there. It can't see.
So just show him.
See, Daddy?
Yeah, I see Lanai.
Right here.
See ya.
Oh my God. Yeah, now you're helping him when I wanted to.
Lanai, open that side.
What?
Wow.
Oh. I'm here. It might come out for me.
Okay.
Ow, my finger. Ow, 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 ow.
Careful.
Here, I'll help you, I'll help you, I'll help you. Ow, ow.
Careful.
Yeah, you're supposed to untie this, but I didn't.
Maybe somewhere.
They have to get all these balloons on.
Hoe stop je dit nou?
William, look behind you.